What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making gluten-free, dairy-free chocolate chip cookies, and I'm with Abby. Show yourself. Show yourself. Okay. So, what you'll need is, of course, a pan and a non-stick thing. Make sure you ask your parents' permission to do this, or just don't listen to me and go from there. So what you'll need is some chocolate chips. You'll need some Hershey Kisses, it's extra. You put it in the end, in the middle of the cookie. You'll need, of course, a bowl and a mixing spoon. You'll need some measuring cups. I'm using a cup for the big boy peanut butter. Just make sure, if you are doing gluten-free or whatever, make sure it only has peanut butter or almonds or whatever type of nut butter you're using. You need this salt, iodized. How do you think you say it? Iodized.
Iodized.
Yeah.
Iodized.
I don't know. I just have these because I don't know where the hell my little baby measuring stuff is, but that's that. You need some baking soda, of course, and be very careful with the magic potion, the vanilla extract. It's from Madagascar, and it's simply truth. It's organic. And you'll need a half cup for brown sugar, and then you're gonna need some eggs. And you're gonna need just one. So first thing you need to do is get y'all big boy peanut butter. I'm using some special Peter Pan honey roast cream. So you're gonna take your spoon and put this in the measuring cup. That's gonna take forever. Now we got the big boy peanut butter. We're gonna put it in there. And that's what she said. You can't get the peanut butter. Okay, oh my gosh. Do a little shaky butt like every mom does when they cook.
I don't think anyone does that.
It's so weird when you mix that. Oh my gosh. So now, we're gonna take two. Now we're gonna take 2 half cups of brown sugar and we're gonna add it in. And I like to put the brown sugar. Thank you very much, ma'am. Wow, that really was a cool delicious. Yummy. It's very yummy right now. It's not like running out. I need one more because it's not getting like a full half cup. Wow. Satisfying. Which way does it come out? There we go.
That might have been a little bit too much.
That's scrumptious. Oh. Sounds like
How did like baking soda hurt you?
I don't know. Yum.
Wait, no. I've been waiting for this moment.
Now we're gonna add the special potion. It's organic. And you gotta be careful with this.
Vanilla extract.
Yeah. It's organic. Vanilla potion. This is like dangerous stuff. Like, I think it's illegal. Rumor has if you inhale it, you can't breathe. So now, see this? This is be gone. It's organic. We are going to add some chocolate chips. Now, I say just go ham with it. Add as much as you want. Just don't add the whole thing. Add about that much. I think I'm gonna eat some. Would you like some, camera girl?
Sure.
Not a cameraman, you're a camera girl.
Yeah. Look what you did. did.
Looks like a rabbit came in here. I'm taking more. I'm a bad cook. I steal the food before I actually make it. Okay, but now we're putting the egg in, which makes it not edible anymore until you cook it. I hate you.
You can smash on the table.
Too late.
The counter.
We need a gender reveal. I don't think yellow's a gender. Maybe. Gotta wash your hands. You don't want to get raw egg in your food.
Wait, move the camera.
You need to have your hair back when you cook, kids. Must be your boy then. I don't know. Okay, now we're gonna save these for later.
You don't need to freaking hurt it. What did it do to you?
A lot of things. Now we're gonna mix. Your hands are clean. They surely should be clean. I'm talking to you, Emily, Sarah, Rachel, Rebecca, and all
Samantha.
You crackheads. Like, oh my god, Emily said that's crackhead. It's funny as I have a friend named Emily and Rachel.
Samantha.
Little balls and put them on the baking sheet. After you wash your hands, make sure you set the oven to 350 degrees, preheated, and then you put it in for 10 minutes. Do 50. Go up. No, the arrow. Yeah, there you go. No, yep. Okay, leave it. So the cookies are done. Just turn off the timer, turn off. Stop clear. Oh wait, yeah. I freaked out because I forgot it was that late. Oops. And so now you're going to be cautious and use your oven mitt. And you gotta open. That's heavy. And be very careful and take this out. So I'm going to shut off the camera for just a second. Ooh, it's like a sauna in there. Except you're gonna die. So here they are. I might have not did the best job of separating them apart, but they did turn out well. Leave them sitting for like 10 minutes because they are going to be like really squishy and soft, and they're going to fall apart. And you probably know that, but depending on how big you made your cookie dough balls, depending on how the size of them. So that one's little, that one's really big, but they turned out good, and I'll end up using this spatula to kind of separate them because maybe do that like right now so they're not like stuck together still. I don't really want them stuck together, and then there you go. And I'm just gonna end up putting them in that container, and I'll show you what they look like when they are officially done, and we're gonna taste test them. Good. Yes. Inhale the peanut butter chocolate smell. So we'll be back. We almost forgot to add the kisses. That's important. We gotta undo a bunch of them. Okay. So you're gonna put them in the middle. This is extra, but I think it's cuter and it tastes better, and boom. Extra chocolate in the middle. So if you're a huge chocolate lover like me, then you're gonna need to do this. And if you want, you can put multiple, but usually it's best if you just put one. Sort of speed this part up or something. I have nothing to say. Why that's like so.
Abo malakaka.
Abo malakaka. Like, listen, it's like ASMR. Like, get the camera closer. It's like ASMR. Oh my gosh, amazing.
You probably didn't hear anything.
This is true ASMR. ASMR. If ASMR was a person, I think it would look like a tinfoil on a chocolate chip cookie. Okay. Oh, and then here's this one. And now after you, oh no! After you put them in the middle, let them sit for about 10 minutes so they harden up a bit so you're able to pick them up, put them in a container, and store them. You could put them in the fridge, but I think you can just have them sitting out with this little flappy open if you have those, and we're good. So the stop button. Tea. Yeah, that one is like. This is mine.
I'm gonna have a we're eating the smaller ones.
I think I got the meltiest one.
I think we're eating like the really small ones right now because the big ones are like 2. You know. That's the same I have. Like mine's all together. Woo! Oh, really good. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, I know American Sign Language or whatever, so I just. Well, thanks for watching. I will link her channel in the description, and please tag me on my Instagram and stuff, and send me stuff on Snapchat of how your cookies turned out. And my social media will be linked in the description also, but here on the screen is my Instagram. So, and Twitter soon to come. Third YouTube channel soon to come. Yes. Dun, 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 dun. Thanks for watching. And if you are under the age of 13, ask your parents, or you're just not. What did I say in commercials?
I have no idea.
Be safe. And make sure you
Supervision.
Make sure you ask your parents for
You cannot make an ad.
Make sure. First thing you need X. Hold on.
Behind the scenes.
Oh no. Oh no. I can't believe I forgot the egg. Around town when she comes. There's gonna be some bloopers. I always like putting them at the end. Just don't give it to your cat. No. I'll try some.
I gave it to my dog once.
Because if you give it to your pets, apparently they'll take good care of it. But I don't.
Yeah, he cracked it and tried to eat it.
Ew. Karma's a oh wow. And so am I.
Stop it. What is this for then?
What?
What is this for then?
To just have different views, so you can switch back and forth.
I feel like those really bad moms record videos like that.
We're gonna take Is it itty bitty bitty? Oh, that was a sound. Is it itty bitty bitty? Oh, that was a sound. It's like
I promise it's just baking soda. Oh, it's like a little heart with like your hand.
The bon appetit. Ah! Wait, where?
You do this like with
Oh.
your hand. Your face in the camera.
My ear is just. Okay.
Be gone, that's the way, man of God. Oh, look at so many dishes. I said dishes.
Oh, it looks like some. I actually don't know.
Explain. Or not.
There's a mirror in my microwave.
Looks great.
Make it like a donut. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. Check out her channel.
I don't remember my channel name.
Can't do goodbyes.